17. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today is January 17th and I just wanted to get on here and say I did my 2-mile HIIT workout this morning, well this afternoon. I upped my incline, my little brother. I upped my incline to 2.5 and I boosted when I was running. I boosted it to 5.5 and I did that for 1 minute on, 1 minute off, back and forth until I did my completed 40 minutes of HIIT running. And so again I usually was doing that 5.0 speed, but now I did it to 5.5 speed, so I increased a little bit to try to push myself. But yeah, this Monday's workout is done. Check. I weighed myself in yesterday and I actually lost 3 pounds, which is good, so yay me. But I have to lose a little more. In my clip before this, I ate a salad and it does have chicken in it, so I've been trying to stay away from chicken and steaks and pork and beef, but I did get some chicken in that salad. I had it a week 1 too, but yeah, it's just something quick to get and I didn't have to make it, so but yeah, so I'm done. I'll check in with y'all the rest of this week and just keep on pushing, push strong, and you know we can do it. So yeah, week 3, we in here. Bye. So I walk at this incline 2 miles in 2.5. How many is that? raggedy scallions, but I'm going to use them and put them to use. I'm going to take my pan here, my skillet, pour some olive oil. Scallions here. I'm going to take my cilantro here and then I'm going to make some green beans. I'm going to put it on the stove and I'll be back. chicken, mushrooms, green peppers, onions, and garlic, and green beans, and corn. So this is my dinner. I have my salmon, as you know, that I cooked yesterday. Salmon, cauliflower, lime cauliflower, rice, my corn, and my green beans, and some good old Zephyr Hills water. I'm going to start off by doing this and then inclining. This is my lunch for today. I have salad, chicken, and fruits. I'm really not supposed to be eating chicken, but I am because I'm hungry.
Presbyterian. She's a Presbyterian, y'all.
Pescatarian, Daddy. Pescatarian.